This is our Earthwise electric tiller that we've had for a couple of years. It's working out very well. I'm going to show you how we use ours also to weed our asparagus patch with. There's a couple things you need to do. I'll show you how. Here we have a couple beautiful stalks of asparagus, but you can barely see them and they're not going to grow too well because they're surrounded by weeds everywhere. We're going to need to remove these weeds, of course, but we're going to cut our time in half by also using our electric tiller to weed in between the rows. I'll show you what we're going to make sure the power is unplugged and then remove the tines. There are 4 tines here, and we're going to remove the 2 outer tines so that we can do some more detail work, leaving these 2 inner tines. To remove the outer tine, you simply lift the ring and pull the pin out, and the tine simply pulls off. We do the exact same thing over here, and we're ready to go in between our rows of asparagus. Don't want to lose this, so we'll put it back in. This model has a safety button on the side that must be pressed before beginning tilling. So we have 2 grooves that are forming in the trench here, and we want to twist this as we're working so that it will loosen the dirt instead of just digging too deep. These weeds were really long, so these are wound around here pretty good. We just keep clearing them out. This is really effective for most of the areas, but once you get close to the plants, you're going to want to use a different tool. Something like this works great. Use this to get in a little closer and get these weeds out of the way. So we really like this Earthwise tiller. Being electric, it makes it very lightweight, low maintenance, easy to manage, and it does the job just right.